another thing on these, they never fit. Don't ask me why.
Why don't they fit, do you?
Don't know. Yeah, normally these really are out of line, the top bolts on there. But that isn't too bad actually. Oh, I didn't tell you, I found out where the mini bit goes, you know the...
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Question of the week.
Where does that go?
Like a 5/16 bolt hole. And I really don't know where it goes. I've not got a clue.
Where was that then?
It goes on the throttle pedal.
Okay.
And a little bit of rubber goes around where that rivet is. So it doesn't go, when you decelerate, it doesn't go metal to metal.
And how did you find out?
In a mini book, in a picture.
You suddenly went, whoa!
So, there's that bit.
Okay, so you're in your last week of the Harley. Is there kind of like an order of play for the last week?
Get all the bits on that I need to get on. The barrels should be back today or tomorrow. No, and once I've got the wheels on, basically, and it's just barrels, tanks.
Does it matter after that what order you put it on, or?
Not so much on the panel work now, but I need to get the barrels in before I put the tanks in and all that sort of stuff. Still some sort of order, but not as critical as it was before, you know.
So there's the rest of the restorations that hinge on any particular part now, any particular thing?
No, I've got to paint the barrels, I've got to paint the air filter, because I didn't give that a Crimbo because it's very oily, because they're oil bath filters. Yeah. No, it's just a matter of just cracking on now.
That's the key for the glove box.
Yeah. Silly, isn't it?
And where did they keep that?
I don't suppose they ever bothered locking them, but they do rattle open. Most of these don't work, but I took the time to repair it so the lock works.
Don't lose the key.
Don't lose the key, man. Right, well what it is, you've got an inner cable, or the outer cable, that has to go through the handlebars and down. Then you put a ferrule on the end, then you put a grub screw down through the handlebars that locks in there, in that groove.
Yeah.
To stop that moving, then you can fit all your inner control cable then. So that, on that handlebar, controls that.
Oh, okay.
Holy shamoly.
And what's the control cable used for?
One throttle and one advance and retard. So you just put a little right angle on the end of that, and then that slides up into there. Then you've got to wiggle that down the end of that outer cable we've just put in, which is down the end of them handlebars.
This is the fun bit.
Yeah.
Whee, look at that.
Right, now we need some grease.
Uno, dos, tres, go.
Next week on the workshop.
Stupidest idea in the world, these are.
What's that?
Well, that's your light bulb. You can't change them. You can't change the bulb. That's a bulb.
Oh my god.
As of Harley Davidson. You can take the lids off and solder them up, but they go horrible. Wiggle them in the hole.